Hello traders, my name is Roland and welcome to my YouTube channel. Here you can find the most effective and straightforward strategies for the binary options and onward. If you're new in trading, don't worry, you can try my strategies from the video, you can repeat after me, or you can use my Telegram group with the free signals with a 90% of accuracy, and you can find the links in the description of every videos. Also, if you don't have a time for trading, if you're working or you have some another deals, don't worry. I have a social trading for you. You can connect to my account very easy, and just repeat after me. Repeat every signals, every strategies. So, let's keep going.
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Roland. Welcome and welcome. So we are on the broker. We have $25 on our balance, and it's from this amount we will accelerate our deposit today. We open our trades as usual on 1 minute time frame, and all currency pairs I have already picked up. So, also further you can notice that we have picked up both OTC currency pairs and ordinary currency pairs as today on the analysis of the strategy, which it has a universal character of trading it does not care what chart is it, and that course happening. We have Bollinger Bands with period 13 deviation 2, and we have two oscillators. There are two RSI, the first one with a period of 5, the second one with a period of 10, and we leave the oversold number both areas at 20 and 80, and at the RSI with a period of 10, we leave the average value at 50 at the RSI. In general, during my trading, you will understand how to use this strategy correctly. So I suggest to start and pick our first entry into the trade, right? And let's get down to trading, guys. Let's start. Let's see what do we got here. Okay, this is where we're gonna open our short position, the first position for today. Great entry. Now opening point is on the trend. I'll explain the principle of entry. We have a former new local maximum, and after that it's update. In general, that the price should always go into a pullback, and then we have here touched the upper band, our channel indicator, and we also have an additional signal, and we see an exit from the overbought area on our upper RSI, which tells us that the trade should be opened now for the short. Should be opened on the downside, and tells us that the price should go into a small pullback, a little more than 10 seconds, just 11 seconds and 10 now seconds remain. We observe the dynamics of the deal, right, of our position, and our first position is on profits. Let's change the amount. As I said in the beginning, we had a very good entry point here, so there was nothing difficult here. Let's pick up the next currency pair and consider some other principle of entering a trade, right? Right. So let me just find one, and we will open it. So here we're gonna open the short position again. We open again against the trend, and we will expect the pullback in price as we have a new price maximum formation touching the upper moving our channel indicator, and we'll expect a pullback in the price. So the touching, here it is, and expect the pullback. As I said, because now we're coming out of the overbought area and our boss oscillators. So let's watch the results. We've got a little over, how much? 20 seconds. 20 seconds right now remains. Let's just watch for the result. Let's just wait. And I guess the position will be in the profits as usual, guys. So let's wait for it, right? And we are in profits as usual. Nice. We're in profits. Let's update the amount. But it's quite risky entry was on the concept pair OTC. We opened the deal against the trend, but in general, in fact, remember that, guys, when you open trades on the OTC market, always better open on the trend, not the against the trend. But in general, as you can see, the right opening time, the right opening level can even lock in a trade plus if you open against the trend on this strategy without problems. Sure. Let's pick up the next currency pair and consider some other trade entry. Right. So let's open. Let's see, what do we got? Okay, let's open again on the same currency pair. Yeah, we just open a deal here and open again right here. I see that we will have a long pullback. Now then the price will go away as well. So a little lower. In principle, the entry of the deal is exactly the same. Emphasizes our signal that we have earlier, that a green candle gave again a small upward dynamics in general, not letting the price to roll back normally to correct so that in the future it will go up. So we once again open a trade on the downside for a short, and we will wait for the same small pullback down. So let's watch the result. And we're in the profits. Easy. As you can see, the second trade open on this currency pair, we still closed in the plus. As I said, the price needs to roll back a little more, and here we see the first candle, and either a doji candle is formed, either a pullback candle right here again. The trade was closed in plus against the trend, was opened, and in general you can see the results. So let's pick up the next currency pair and consider some other entry into the trade, right? Why only short positions? Because. So let's find another, and let's open here long position finally. Here I'm guided only by our channel Bollinger Bands, and use the knowledge of technical analysis and the concept of trend. We have a very strong ascending one. Dynamics are present here. And in general, we do not necessarily need to see an exit from the oversold area on our oscillators. Yeah, even if it does not happen, we see that the price dynamics has a very strongly upward. Now then touching the lower moving line of our channel indicator, after which I think the dynamics of the movement should go upwards. So let's wait for results. That's why we open the long position. We have 12 seconds left. Let's just wait, let's just watch. And the green candle is coming up. Come on. I know you want it. As you can see, the deal closes in plus, guys. Look here, the deal was already opened on the trend. And in general, we fixed the profit. The price has stopped. Here it does not go anywhere. Perhaps the continuation of the trend is formed, either the area of consolidation. In general, we are already in a good plus, so let's consolidate our material, consider another entry deal, and pick up the next currency pair. Of course, that's why we all here. We want trading, we want money, we want to learn how to do that, and I will show you. I will ask you to practice it, to repeat by me, after me, and you will be in a profit too. So let's see, what do we have. Let's analyze a bit. What do we have here? Right. Yes. Let's open a short position here. It's not a bad touch point. Of course, we could find a much better touch point, but in general, I'm satisfied with this touch point. We open the trade in the pullback. We are orienting on our Bollinger Band. There is the formation of a new price maximum touching the upper moving on this dynamics of movement, we see that the correction on this currency pair is present quite often. The upward dynamics is not pronounced strongly, so we can afford to open a short position in such a place and now not wait for the exit from the overbought area of our two oscillators. So we have 10 seconds left, and the next deal will be closed in profits in the next 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Easy, pretty easy. Let's update the trading amount. So that's it, guys. You see how easy it's to parry this strategy. I'll tell you honestly, a little practice, as I'm repeating all the time, understanding the work of indicators, a set of indicators, yeah, understanding how the strategy works, and it will be very easy for you. So let me prove it to you again and pick up the following currency pair. We have to practice it. Everything what you are doing, you have to practice it to be good in it, right? So okay, let's open a trade long position in the direction of the trend. We are here with you again on the currency pair OTC, and here is the more clear signal. We open on the trend and we again look at the dynamics of the trend. Here we do not matter moving our oscillators. We see a trend, we see a good touch point, we see strong upward dynamics, we see the formation of new local minimum, and the lower moving of our channel indicator is touched. So in our case, we open a long position in the direction of the trend to go up, and I think at the end we should have an exit. So the principle of entry can be easily considered on OTC pairs, yeah, in general, because it's always better to open on the trend when trading on the OTC market. So yeah, another position is in profit. Nice. We are in a nice profit, good profit. Let's pick up the next currency pair. Let's open two positions in total amount of 1,000, right? So let's start analyzing and picking up the next entry into the position, right? So see right there, we will again open trade long position, consolidate the result of the last trade, highlight the trend. So again, the currency pair OTC, and we should definitely highlight the trend. We excellent touch point in general, and also after the price pullback, we realized that we have the best openings on OTC currency pair is opening on the trend. So we focus on the intra-channel movement and open the trend with you now. So that's how it's going. Let's watch the end of our trades. Now we got 15 seconds left. Let's just wait, let's just watch, let's just, I don't know, chill, relax. I guess we are in profits right now. And we have to trade at the last seconds closing plus. The movement has taken its character, the trend has shown its trade, and you see a great exit now. Opening a trade, let's say 5 seconds later, we would have closed our trades much more confidently. But in general, the price of entry was absolutely correct. Again, the trend did not let us down. Let's open two trades for the amount of $2,000 and choose the following the next currency pair, right, for it, of course. Okay, we see that we have an exit from the oversold area, so we open a deal here. It turns out again on the trend, but we had a very strong price correction. In general, we are not afraid to open a deal. So even at such a relatively bad level. That's the deal is not open here, the deal is open a few levels higher, but I'm still sure that we will have a good pullback. There is a touch of the lower moving sliding trend indicator. Our channel, and also we see the exit from the oversold area on our oscillator. So here we open the trade on the upside with about 15 seconds left. Let's watch the result of the trades, and I guess we will be in the profits. Yes? Yes. So let's wait. And 2 hour positions close in profits. Nice. Nice pullback happened. That's good. So in general, the dynamics was clear, and let's open the final trades for the amount of $3,000 to consolidate the results. Let's proceed and pick up the following concept out. And I guess we will finish video, right? So see you in the next one, I could say. But before that, let's find nice position entry point. And here we open 3 short positions. You can see the excellent point of touch. Let's highlight the working area. 100% completed in a plus trade. We have touched, we have a touch of a precisely resistance area. We already understand in principle that the first touch occurs and the price should work at this level. Moreover, we see the exit from the overbought area of our oscillator, and we also see the formation of a new one. We have a local maximum and touch the upper sliding band by our Bollinger Bands. So we have a less than 20 seconds. Exactly is the 16 seconds left. Let's watch the results. Let's watch the results. Let's wait for it. What do we have? How much we will have? I don't know. You will. Okay, kidding. So 5 seconds and we will be in a profits. I guess 100% because you see the candle and we are in a profits. $6,578 on our balance from $30, $25 we started. So I'm quite happy for that outcome. Let's move to my favorite part of the video. This is a withdrawal. Let's use this wallet. Let's put 6,500. I'm sorry. Let's put a code. Okay. Let's click continue button, and our operation is successfully executed. I'll attach the screenshot when it's done. So write comments, guys. What do you think about this? Did you try it? Text me in a Telegram. So I will see your practice too. So don't forget about YouTube, Telegram, likes, comments, and subscriptions, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good market. Bye bye.
So guys, don't forget to watch this video till the end. Don't forget about the YouTube, Telegram, likes, comments. I appreciate that. And of course, subscriptions. After you subscribe to my Telegram channel and text me, you will get into $300 draw. So I want to help you. I want to help you to start. And 3 lucky subscriber will get $100 on their balances from me, like a gift. So guys, let's get started so you can get it too.